Welcome to our channel, where we demystify the world of technology. Today, we dive into the fascinating realm of artificial intelligence, often referred to as AI. We'll be debunking some common myths and discovering its limitations. Let's get started. Misconception number 1: AI will replace humans. The fact is, AI is designed to enhance human capabilities, not replace us. It can assist us in performing complex tasks, but it lacks the creativity and emotional intelligence that only humans possess. Misconception number 2: AI is all-knowing and infallible. The fact is, AI can be as flawed as the data it's trained on. Bias and erroneous outputs can occur if the data used to train AI models is incomplete or biased. Misconception number 3: AI is just like a human brain. The fact is, AI operates on algorithms and patterns, while the human brain is much more complex and adaptable. AI lacks consciousness and emotions that are integral to human intelligence. Misconception number 4: AI is only for large corporations. The fact is, AI is increasingly accessible to individuals and small businesses. There are open source tools and platforms that allow anyone to explore and experiment with AI technology. Misconception number 5: AI will take over our jobs. The fact is, AI will transform job roles, requiring humans to focus on tasks that require empathy, critical thinking,